Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Union County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Fannin County in north-central Georgia, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hot House, or near Ducktown, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morganton, Hemp, Mineral Bluff, Notley Dam, Hurst, Loving, Culberson, and Copperhill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 8 p.m. in Chattanooga.